Hey everyone! Today we're taking an honest look at Mint, one of the most popular budgeting and expense tracking apps out there, and whether it actually helps everyday people take control of their money. If you've ever felt like you spend first and think later, Mint is built to give you clarity and insight into exactly where your dollars are going, all from your phone or tablet. When you first open Mint, what stands out is how comprehensive it feels right from the start. You link your bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and even investment accounts, and Mint automatically pulls in your transactions. Instead of logging into 6 or 7 separate bank apps, Mint gives you a unified snapshot of your entire financial world. That alone saves a lot of time and mental effort. One of the core strengths of Mint is its expense tracking and categorization. Once your accounts are connected, the app automatically sorts your spending into categories like groceries, dining out, rent, entertainment, bills, and more. This makes it easy to see at a glance how much you're spending in each area, spot trends, and identify where your money might be slipping away without you really noticing. You can also customize categories or merge ones that don't fit your budgeting style, which helps keep the data accurate and meaningful. Another big plus is the budgeting feature. You can set spending limits for categories each month. For example, $300 for groceries or $100 for entertainment, and Mint will track your progress. If you're getting close to your limit, the app sends alerts so you're not surprised when the month ends. These real-time nudges can be really helpful if you're trying to break bad habits or take control of irregular spending. Mint also has features for bill tracking and reminders. You can see upcoming bills, due dates, and account balances in one place, which helps you avoid late fees and keep everything organized. Seeing it all in one streamlined timeline can make your financial life feel less chaotic and more manageable. The app also includes trends and insights, like showing how your spending compares month over month, or highlighting categories where you've increased or decreased spending. For people who want to understand patterns over longer periods, these visual summaries make it easier to reflect on your habits without digging through spreadsheets. Of course, there are a few downsides. Some users report that the automatic categorization isn't perfect. Occasionally, purchases land in the wrong category and you have to correct them manually. And while connecting accounts is usually seamless, there can be occasional syncing issues with certain banks or institutions. The app is free, but because it pulls in offers and ads based on your financial profile, some users find that aspect a bit intrusive. Overall, though, Mint delivers a powerful, all-in-one way to track spending, build budgets, and gain insight into your financial life without having to be a finance expert. Whether you're trying to get out of debt, save for something special, or just stop wondering where did all my money go, it's one of the easiest tools to get started with, and one of the most comprehensive free options available. If this review helped you out, go ahead and like the video, subscribe for more honest app breakdowns, and drop a comment telling me what budgeting or finance app you want reviewed next.